haven't really punched above their weight yet. No, it's just been end-to-end stuff. But no, we've seen so much space at the back for either team to exploit. We've not really had or seen the teams do that yet. But it feels like the goal is not far away. The first goal of the game isn't that far away. For Kotoko, they've been playing around Gyawu. He's really been pivotal for them. It's been more like the playmaking or the playmaker in the setup with Badu. Just trying to shield the back four, protecting the back four, which he's done of the balls, and also try to help the team move forward.
Lord Amwa. Saka's delivery. Penalty.
And you would always expect the top guy.
Samba O'Neill against Prince Asempa. Samba steps forward and Samba scores brilliantly from the spot to hand Kotoko the opening goal here at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. The captain has led by example. Samba O'Neill scores with a well-taken penalty for Asante Kotoko. It's Kotoko.
This time, Blake, the victim there, Saka not allowing him any room at all. But we've spoken about the spaces at the back, and Kotoko did well on the occasion. A bit clumsy though, but
Zito might have selection worries.
Yeah, it's a big team, as a team always gunning to win the title.
Lord Amwa swings in across. Amwa, but Prince Cheneboa does what to track back and win the ball. Now it's Prince Opoku to Boniface Blay. Issa Yakubu. Sylvester Simba. Saka Dauda tries to pick out Dogo, but it's an awkward clearance from Francis Asante. Saka Dauda gets it back to Lord Amwa. He's been brilliant on that right-hand side.
Really come torrid for him.
Amwa's delivery away by Atta, but only as far as Lord Amwa. Lord Amwa swings the ball back, headed down by Issa Yakubu. Initial challenge that Nathan Anafu overlooked until Quaison was brought down.
And that's where the protest began. Because I believe they should have had a free kick, but the referee rather giving a free kick in the way.
Cheneboa swings in a cross away by Amwa, but Gyawu is trying to set up Aqua, but there's a good tackle coming from Atta. Amwa swings in a cross, Asante miskicks. He's won the foul, clever play. Cheneboa, Issa Yakubu with space to drive now, Quaison. Here is Gideon Quaison, wants to shoot, goes against Amwa now, Opoku. Great save, Kamara. Brilliant save from the Asante Kotoko goalkeeper to deny Cheneboa for his 7th of the season. Aqua. Outnumbered and loses possession. Saka Dauda. He sees Lord Amwa on the right, he finds Amwa. Another option in Saka Dauda. Hubert Gyawu has lost possession. Jetia is a foul. Samba O'Neill commits a foul. Referee has not reached his pocket yet. Doubt whether Samba will take a card for this offense, but it was obvious that he just used his hands in his face. Cheaply gives away the free kick, and here comes Aqua. He's also been charitable, handed possession immediately to Holy Stars. Swings one for Yakubu Dogo. Aqua. Donzo. Switches to Amwa down the right side. He's got the pace. Amwa. Saka Dauda. and he's gone wide for a goal kick, and Zito knows something positive should have come from this man. If it's not in, referee Nathan Anafo whistles to bring the first half to an end here at the Baba Yara Stadium. The goal from this man, Samba O'Neill, has Amwa left Asante Kotoko on a permanent deal for Ali Benghazi in Libya, only to return for a loan stint. Here's Amwa. He goes in with a cross. Donzo was trying to set up. Sin is calling for it. I think it's lovely ball to pick out. Kwesen goes past Amwa, skips past Badu. Kwesen blocked by Gyawu. Here is Issa Yakubu. Kotoko cleared the lines, but only as far as Asante. He drives one and is flown over the bar for a goal kick. Much to the disappointment of those guys on the reserve bench.
Yeah, that would
happen from Donzo. Lovely ball to Saka Dauda. It's a good defensive cover up. Amwa swings in the Kotoko corner, headed down by Amwa, and Moses Atta gets it away. Good ball from Amwa to Badu. Here is Hubert Gyawu. Samba. Badu. Purpose. Good defending from Enrienzo. Issa Yakubu shows great desire with a shot across. There's nobody for who gives the ball away. Here's Opoku. Now Sylvester Simba drives from a distance and is not troubling Asante Kotoko. He knows too well. Emmanuel Kote, who went off with a long-term injury, might just get his chance to return for Kotoko. He joined Kotoko from Inswacheman. Amos cross, Asempa fumbles, and it's a Kotoko corner. Kote makes his first Premier League appearance for Asante Kotoko, this time returning from a long. And here is Gyawu to Saka Dauda. Decides to go for goal and is straight to foul in Albert Amwa for a Kotoko free kick.
You talk about intelligence to win a foul, and that's just it over there from Amwa.
Free kick taken. Here's Saka Dauda. Ball is cleared. Peter Amidu Aqua. It's a lovely run from Aqua. He puts one through for Albert Amwa. Albert Amwa swings in across. Asempa gets it away. Here is Gyawu. Shoots. Saved by Asempa. Albert Amwa goes down. Is a fair challenge. No foul in there. Good tackle from Asante. Non-existent in the second half. Kwesen, he's paid his dues. Cross by Kote. Donzo misses. Amwa with an overhead kick. And it's a stunner. An absolute beauty on his return to the Baba Yara Stadium. What a goal. Albert Amwa doubles Kotoko's lead in magnificent fashion. Oh my word. This is an absolute beauty. A world-class finish from Albert Amwa. Kotoko 2, Holy Stars 0. And it's a weldie from Amwa.
That's what you get from your darling boy. That's what you get from a top quality player like Amwa. Improvises. But what about that for a strike? What about that for a goal from Albert Amwa on his return?
Albert Amwa bends one. Asempa fumbles, but he makes amends.
Yeah, no, his confidence now is just, out of the roof now. Albert Amwa, after scoring, get one on target again.
Albert Amwa, he's got Kwame Poku. Opoku! And Opoku scores in similar fashion like Albert Amwa. The two strikers have all scored from spectacular overhead kicks. Kwame Poku makes an instant impact with an assist from Albert Amwa. It is game over, and Karim Zito and the rest of the Kotoko technical team amazed by this development. Opoku makes an instant impact with that bicycle kick. It's 3 for Kotoko, and Holy Stars have a very tall mountain to climb. It's fair to say it's game over, but Kwame Poku Gamo. Issa Yakubu Issa with a through ball to Gamo. Flag goes